How to disable USB debugging safely. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can disable USB debugging safely. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. Now, USB debugging is a developer options feature. So if you've enabled and you want to disable USB debugging, I'm assuming you've already enabled developer options. So to disable USB debugging, you just open up settings on your Android phone and go ahead and then search for developer options. In the case of OnePlus, I can go to system, and then here I can go to developer options, and within developer options I can scroll down and you can see USB debugging. So I can simply turn this thing off to disable USB debugging. And just for a confirmation, I can also turn off developer options. If you're not using any settings from developer options, I would also recommend that you simply turn off developer options and restart your Android device. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.